Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the on-air section of the Tools tab. So let's begin. This section is a 3-step process. First, you need to set up the personalities, then you need to set up the programs, and finally, you want to set up the on-air schedule. If you follow this 3-step process, it will make this much easier to understand. Personalities and staff is the first part of a 3-part process. This tool allows you to add, manage, or delete a personalities page. First, to add a new personality, enter the personality's name and click Add. They will then appear in the personality list below. I'm going to go over the different options you can do in the personality list. First, you can view the individual personality page at the provided URL. The status column indicates whether a personality is visible on the website. You can delete a personality by clicking the trash icon. You can edit a personality's bio by clicking on the pencil icon. And you can reorder the list of personalities by clicking and dragging this blue icon. I'm going to click the yellow edit icon to go over how to edit your personalities. First, you can add a bio for the specific person. This description typically contains a quick introduction or bio for the individual. Next, if the individual has their own website or social media accounts, you can fill out the fields below with those links. Finally, you can add a profile picture for the individual by clicking Choose File, which will allow you to browse your computer for your image file. For best results, photos should be uploaded at the exact dimensions recommended, which are 200 by 200. Next, there are various administrator options that I want to go over. These options, however, are only available for higher level users, such as group managers, station managers, etc. I will go more into detail about the different levels of users in a later video. First, you have the option to include a podcast on this individual's page. Click the drop-down menu and choose None, or click from the list of podcasts that are already in your system. Next, you have the option to enable or disable a blog, depending on whether or not your individual has a blog. Finally, you have the option to hide the personality with the visibility option. This option is great for instances such as when you want to set up a personality page for a new individual before posting it live on your website. As always, make sure you always remember to click the blue Save Changes button when changing any of these options. Now let's go into the demo site to show you what this looks like. When you hover over the On Air tab, all the lists of the different personalities that you have uploaded will be listed. I'm going to go into one of the personalities so you can see more details. So this individual has a photo, this is their bio, and their on-air schedule, which we will go over later in this video. We also enabled a blog for this individual, so this individual's blog will be posted below. There are also the links to his website and social media pages. I'm now going to go back into the admin site to go over the next step. The next step of the 3-part process is programs. So I'm going to go back to Tools, On-Air Tools, and click Programs. This tool allows you to set up programs. Programs are the names of your shows, which will then be scheduled. Adding a new program is very simple. All you have to do is simply type in the program name and click Add Program. The program will then be added to the program list below. Program names can be edited here by changing the text and clicking Update Programs. You can also delete programs by clicking the trash icon, or reordering programs by clicking and dragging the arrow icon. And that's it for programs. I'm going to take you into our demo site to show you what this looks like. So again, go to the On Air tab and click Programs. Here you can see the list of the different programs and when they air. Now let's move on to our third and final step of the three-part process, which is schedule. This tool is where you can schedule your different programs and assign them to your personalities. You can create multiple schedules on your website for multiple stations, but by default, the on-air schedule is automatically made for you to use. Typically, our clients only use one schedule. To manage your schedule, click the pencil icon. First, pick a day to start setting up a schedule. Then, choose your times and add a program and personality for each time slot. If multiple days of the week have the same exact schedule, instead of manually adding all the information again, you can use the Cop Schedule option to copy the exact schedule from a different day. This will save you a lot of time. The Special Scheduled Dates option is used for holidays or any special events that are coming up and would interfere or affect your station's schedule. This feature will temporarily override any default scheduling on the website during the set date, so please keep this in mind. One more thing I want to note is that during setup, make sure you build out your schedule for each day, scheduling 24 hours for every day. Do not overlap your times. Make sure you follow these tips to ensure your proper display of your on-air schedule when building it. I'm now going to go back to our demo site so I can show you the Schedule tab. So go to On Air and click On Air Schedule. Here you can see the breakdown of every day and time for the whole week, where you can see which program will be running and which personality may be on. And that's it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on the page demo, visit our help center, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.